Hello guys, it's your boy Marvel, and today I am so happy to do this video. This is my first YouTube video and I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Today I am in Chenku. We are about to discover this beautiful waterfall right here in Accra. Are you excited to hear that? Come with me and let's go and find this beautiful waterfall in Accra.
The Chenku Waterfall is located in Dodowa within the Greater Accra region. To get there, take a vehicle going to Dodowa and alight at the Dodowa market. From there, you will find motorcycle riders who will transport you to the Chenku Waterfall car park. Simply inform them that you are heading to Chenku and they will take you to your destination. Massive. Hey, my endo.
Almost there at the gate. I can see the gate right from here, so let's go. Come with me. Let's go. So guys, after the long walk, this is the entrance to the waterfall. This is where you are going to do your payments. This is where you are going to get a brief history about the place from a tour guide. This is where it starts from. All right, so finally our tour guide is here. He's taking us to Chenku today. What's your name?
I'm Albert.
Albert, right. You guys should check him out. Before we get to the waterfall, I want to ask you a few questions about Chenku Waterfall. All right, so how did they discover Chenku Waterfall?
Well, Chenku Waterfall has been in existence for only God knows how many years.
Since the beginning of time, yeah.
So we can trace Chenku Waterfall way back around 1800s.
Okay.
Yeah. But then it was just a farmland and a forest reserve.
Okay.
I think some years, let me say maybe 10-15 years ago, we started taking in just to bath and then have fun. But about, let's say, 8 years ago, it was put under management, and then it started running as a tourist site.
Wow, that's the. Why the name Chenku?
Chenku is an Akan word. It means togetherness.
Wow. Alright, so togetherness. You guys can come together and come here. One love, one everything. Let's come together. Come to Chenku anytime you come to the country. Make sure you visit Chenku. It's a very beautiful place. I can't wait to show you how beautiful this waterfall is.
Chenku is a nice place. It's a welcoming place. Once you get in, the temperature changes. Everything is cool, refreshing, good energy.
Wow.
We have good oxygen.
Wow.
And everything is just perfect. It's natural.
Wow. It's natural. Good energy. I can't wait to show you how beautiful the place is. Let's go and see how beautiful Chenku is. You can hear the sound of the waterfall right from here. I can feel the beauty of the place already, and I can't wait to show you guys how beautiful this place is. Come on, come and let's go. So guys, can you see that? This is Chenku Waterfall. Whoa, this is amazing. Whoa. You can let them see that, bro. This is beautiful. But this is marvelous. Let's go. waterfalls. I don't even know whether you can hear me, but this is Chenku Waterfall. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Woo! Whoa. Wow. So guys, this is just one part of the waterfall. We are going to the main part of the waterfall, which is at the top side of this place. I can't wait to go there, and I know you can't wait either. Let's go! So if you come here and you're hungry, all you have to do is to grab some mangoes, you know. Yeah. This is how we do it in Africa. Yeah, this is how we do it. In a bush. Let's go. Very fresh mangoes and sweet. Just look at. Let's go. Side, it's really a hike. It doesn't come easy. Let's go. So I'm trying to find this beautiful place for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and support this channel. See, that's where we are doing what? Wow. So there's a resting point and there's a continuation point. Wow. So we are not yet there. Oh, by no 30 minutes. So we are actually on top of the mountain, and he's saying that from this side going is eastern region, right? Yeah. And how do you call that place?
So where we are now, we call it the Eastern Greater Accra Belt, separating Greater Accra from Eastern region. So the waterfall is actually in Greater Accra.
Okay, so the waterfall is in Greater Accra, whilst the other side of the waterfall is Eastern region. Right, right. Okay. We are almost at the main waterfall in Chenku, and this place is actually called the Chenku Cascade, right? Why is it called Cascade?
Because it flows in steps form.
It flows in a steps from, yeah, a cascading order, right? A cascading order, yeah. So let's go and see what is actually there. Let's go. You can see the water from this angle. It's an amazing place. I can't wait to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.